What's going on, guys? 24th February 2014. This is a music player, 1979. Looking towards the southeast, see two large objects, and they're fluently just going off into the east direction. You see a planetary object right here in the grasp. It's amazing in this one. It's pretty neat. Guys, still 24th February. You can see the outline of the planet right here with the smaller planets. I'm viewing this from the south. It's actually pretty amazing. I watched a couple other large objects go from the west to the east. Last couple of minutes. You see just the thickness. Chemtrail being laid over. It's thick. Very dominant. It's amazing, look at that. See the outlines of the objects that are being thrown around from the top to the bottom.
Whoa. Look at your bumpy table ever, Dad.
I did.
Yeah.
Oh.
Make this on it. Do this.
You guys just see that real quick.
West Texas. Folks, you know, middle of the door next week.
Beautiful year. I'm up here north side looking at an object coming down towards the southeast. You can see the elegant effect you get. Almost looks like a hand cradling that object. Okay, and you get the multiple objects as well, the smaller ones within that hand. Just a spectacular show that's been showing today. We had some large planets go from the west to the east. Very visible. Very visible. I do believe eventually, getting closer, for the world to see it. I want to show you this beginning of this area right here. These objects have been fluently moving around throughout the day, pretty steadily, pretty fast. All different directions. I can make out the purple look, the purple color again. I can start making out planetary objects that are being forced out from the light here on the northwest side. You can see almost the rainbow look, the effect as a rainbow would look, arched over elegantly across the sky. This almost has that same effect. You can see, if I see here, I'm propping myself up here, the very thin line that looks just like the top being created on the very bottom. Okay. Still have that elegant line that dips down on the bottom and goes up to the top. And the reason why you see that is because this prominent line is carrying the planet and the top one is actually going over it. You can see the debris lines that's being created. And I believe this will be a primary arm, one that holds the most dominant planet at the end. The color is just, I mean, it's amazing. Very, very elegant like. You can see as I go down towards the horizontal area, you can see the light blue. And if I move it back up, once again you have that purple, that blue look. Now, what you're seeing here is one of the fig leaves that's actually being created. And it's very much large. It's larger than I've ever seen it. The wave statue about it is amazing. Whatever is creating this is large, very large. You can see how dominant the white, very bright, elegant cloud is. Now you can start being able literally to make out an object coming out of this. It seems to be at a 45-degree angle, very much active. The same as this as well. And of course you still have the outer perimeter area that is still very much solid white, and it shades off into that beautiful blue off the horizon. So again, what we're seeing here is a massive object that this huge hand is creating the effect from. And each one of these veins that you see have a planet inside it. Each one of them have, hundreds of moons. Okay, but each vein, right there I can see one. Each vein has a planet, a primary planet. Okay, and this is just a huge moment of interaction between all of them, hitting some kind of large object. And you've got them literally going everywhere. Okay, very large. Okay. You can see almost the footprint effect in the cloud as the dominance in white takes effect. Now you can see how dominant just moments ago that it was. It's showing itself less and less. It's just the way the sun's hitting it. Makes it light. And you can see that wave effect in the very front. That's created from all of these. And it's just a massive wave shooting out off the front. Simply incredible. Much love. Music player out.